Hi guys, welcome back. Today is Wednesday and I'm here at Aldi to look at all their new finds. So if that's something you're interested in, stay tuned. These chair cushions for $19.99. They have three different patterns and yeah, so they have this pattern, this one, and the green and white. Okay, and this one has like the three pillows here. They also have the seat pad for $10 in the exact same colors. And then the tomato cage here, it is only $3, guys. It's a tomato cage, supports growing tomatoes and vegetables. It is 42 inches. Top ring diameter is 14 inches. Okay, it is good for peppers, eggplants, and climbing flowers. Okay, so this 4-panel vegetable tower, it is only $8, guys. They have it in this red and green. This 4x6 landscape turf rug is $25. Great deal on that. Alrighty, we have the garden bench cushion for $20. This one is the flat loan one piece here, guys. Okay, in those same colors. Here we have garden soil for $3.49. Okay, so these over here, guys, these are $10. And they have these over here for $5. They also have the tulips. We have the little card that says Happy Mother's Day. And these up here. Okay. They also have the orchids for $13. And these beautiful lilies are $11. Oh yes, the perfect Mother's Day gift. And over here, guys, they have these 10-inch hanging baskets, only $9. So they have the geraniums, the impatiens, the petunias, and the begonias. Oh yes, a great deal on these. Alrighty, friend, now how cute is this teacup or watering can planter for only $10? So they have this one and that pink. How pretty. Oh my goodness. It also comes with a little saucer. There it goes. How cute are those? Okay, these plant caddies, they're $7. They have it in the clear and they have the wire version for $7. The children's garden sets, only $7. Age 3 and up. How cute. Oh yes, have your baby or your grandbaby out there with you in the garden. So cute. The watering wands, they're $5. They have it in green and black and pink. The 6-in-1 tool or pruner set, $8. So this is the 6-in-1. And this one is the pruner set, but it's just sitting here like this. I'm not sure if it came in a packet or anything, but yes, this is the one that they have. And these also matches the watering can. Okay. Alrighty, so guys, they have the ladies and the men's clogs, the garden clogs for $9. We have this color, that's the ladies' color, the pink for the ladies, and the men's color comes in this green, and let's see, I only see the green for the men, but I see for the ladies, I see like this blue here, turquoise blue, pink, and that orange. Okay, it says easy to clean, removable, in sock, lightweight, and durable. The women's size 7, 8, 9, 10, and the men's size is, I only see 11, 12. Okay, they also have this knee pads or kneeling pad for $7. Great deal on this one. Oh yes, if you're outside gardening or doing anything outside, oh, this is a lifesaver. Absolutely. Alrighty guys, so they have this foldable garden tools bag. It is $13. Great find here. Oh yes. Guys, I ordered one from Amazon. It is the bag and the tools. It is a 9-piece set from Amazon. So I'm going to leave a picture and I'll leave the link below in case you want to order that one from Amazon. And that will support me and my channel as well. So I also ordered a repotting mat, you know, to contain all of your dirt and everything. They're very affordable, guys, very useful, and I think you'll have it for a very long time. So yeah, if you order from my link, thank you, I appreciate that. Alrighty, moving on to the cold garden hose. It is $10. It is in pink and blue green. Now these decorative sprinklers, I think they came on last week, but they're still here for $7. These men's and ladies garden hats, they're $7 in brown, blue, and black. But you know what? I looked at this one, guys, and they're not that big. In my opinion, they're not that roomy. So I'm going to pass on this one. I thought I was going to pick up one today, but looking at the inside, especially if you have a lot of hair, I think it's going to be too small. So I'm going to look for one on Amazon to order. If I find a good one, more like a visor, that's the one I ordered last time. But I think I'm going to order another one very soon. And if I do, I'll let you know. Okay. This hummingbird feeder is $10. Cute, cute. Okay. These hanging basket stands came on last week. They are $12.99. They have 3 different styles, which is this one. And this one has the welcome sign. This one has the birds and the heart shape. Yeah, these are so cute. If you guys are enjoying the video, please give it a big thumbs up. And if you like my content, go ahead and subscribe to the channel. Thank you. Alrighty, guys, this sit and play picnic table with the umbrella. It is $60. We have these little pools here. Let's see. Is there a price? Yep, it is $9. Okay. Woo, working the knees. Okay, so these 20-inch planters, they are $13. You all remember a few weeks ago they had the whiskey barrel planters? I purchased 2 of those. Yeah, I have not potted them yet, but I'll let you guys know what I do with them. But yes, guys, these are $13, and this is a great price for this size, 20 inches. Okay, the solar rock spotlight is $10. The 2-pack 3-in-1 solar torches, $25. The metal garden figurines are $10, and how cute. Oh my goodness. I'm kind of getting obsessed over these metal little figurines here. Oh my goodness, the Tractor Supply Store has a lot of beautiful ones over there too. If you all have not seen that video, go over and check that one out. But they have some cute little metal decor pieces as well. This is the frog, the owl, and of course Mr. Gnome, Miss Gnome. You can't leave them out. They're everywhere. Yeah, these are $10. Alrighty, so here we have the bug repellent fan for $7. And here we have the 3.5 portable fans in 3 different colors for $7. So it's in gray, black, and blue. Men's 2-piece pajama set, $7. Man, that's a great deal. Woo. Okay, the coloring kits, $7. This is so nice. It says fantastic fun with color markers and sparkly stickers. Oh, you know, I'll get into this, guys. I'll be in it for a while, so let me put it down. But yes, they have 4 different ones, and it's only $7. Real little backpack. $9. These are cute. Age 6 and up on these. The Pokemon X Battle Deck cards, $10. They also have the Pokemon Mega Construct Pocket Ball, Pokeball, okay, for $8. And here, guys, we have this bubble lawn mower. Makes mechanical gear sound, no batteries required. It is $13. They also have the motorized bubble and fun leaf blower. Well, how much fun is that? Yeah. Little Tykes infant to toddler swing for $20. Oh yeah. Pink and blue. I'm sure they probably had another color. which is probably yellow, but I do not see this one in yellow. Now here, guys, this is a swing set for $10. It says easy to attach to any swing seat or sturdy tree branch. And all those pretty colors. Crane playground balls, they're $4.49. Yellow, green, orange, and blue. Alrighty, moving on to the step 2. Ride along scooter. It is $49.99. The kids umbrella chair, it is $15. We have 4 different ones. Even the unicorn. How cute. And this 3-speed settings metal pedestal fan, it is $40. It comes with 3 speeds, overheat protection, and adjustable tilt fan head, as well as adjustable height. Okay. Freeze pop assortment is $4.99. So we have the swirl freeze pop, watermelon freeze pop, unicorn, dinosaur prize, and shape sorter. Ooh, a lot of different options for $5. Reusable ice cubes and trays, $5. So we have the silicone extra large ice cubes right here. Reusable ice cubes here. I've always been curious about the reusable ones. And the round ice cube tray here. You get 10 of these. Crofton apple slicer or citrus juicer, $5. So that is the 3-piece juicer set. And this is the 8 or 16-piece apple slicer. All right, and moving on to the silicone kitchen gadgets of $5. The silicone trivet, the lids, and they had something else. Let's see. They had another item. I'm not sure, but it's not here. Okay, the egg accessories, they are $2.49. So we have this one for boilers, egg slicers, and the egg ring. Have this centerpiece bowl. It is $20. It is huge and it is nice. Serving tray or storage bowl set, $10. So this is the 3-piece storage bowl set, and that is the serving tray right there. It is 15 inches, and it is also dishwasher safe. Plastic wine glasses, $4. So they have this colorful one, and then they have this one with the words on it. Okay. Top rack dishwasher safe, and they're 14 ounces. Now here we have the mini awesome pans for $17 in black, blue, and peach. Yeah, so it is safe on all stove tops. And yes, guys, amazing. I think I want to get one. Okay. The baking pan with the lid is $8. It's oven safe to 450 degrees. Lid is not oven safe. It is a 9 by 13. So they have this one, the blue, green, black, and this brown orange. Okay. Moving on to the pineapple cabana sippers, the cactus cabana sippers, and the flamingo cabana sippers, $6. Okay. You get 4 per box. How cute are these? And of course they have the straws. Yes. Flamingo and the cactus. This swing for $10 in the color blue, pink, and yellow. The Disney's tennis shoes for the toddlers, they are $12.99. Now they're supposed to have adult shoes here somewhere, the Disney shoes, but I do not see them. Oh, look at that. That is so cute. So that is one right there. And here's another one. Cute, cute. Okay, guys, here we have the drink organizers for $10. It is in black and they also have it in white. It holds up to 12 cans or bottles. Self-dispensing drink organizer. Okay. They also have these summer towel sets for $5. It's getting a bit crowded, guys, so I'm going to have to wrap it up shortly. So this one says, Hello Summer. So cute. This one says, Life is sweet. Yeah. 2 pieces, guys. And we love options. Okay, so here, guys, we have the kitchen accent rugs. It is a 20 by 34 for $6 in brown, gray, and blue. Really nice. Okay, here, guys, we have the plastic beverage dispensers for $13. Hot days are coming ahead, guys, and yes, this would be great to have. Okay, so up here, guys, we have the glass bowls with the snapping lids for $15. Okay, so it includes reusable markers included, 12-piece set, 6 containers and lids, dishwasher safe, microwave safe glasses, and freezer safe. So yes, guys, a wonderful deal for $14.99. And over here we have a 2-piece lady waffle or rib short set for $10 in size small through extra large. Okay, this one is the ribbed texture here. It's oversized fit, functional drawstring. And yes, this is one. Excuse me. This is one right here. Yeah, $10. Not a bad deal. Alrighty, friends, they have these beautiful Mother's Day succulent assorted varieties for $5. How cute are these? The mugs are $9. This one in white says Best Mom Ever. Nice, right? Oh, yes. And this one says Super Mom. Oh, I love these. So affordable and such an amazing gift. I have the basket states here for $15. They still have a few of the shade and ornamental trees for $15. I see the river birch tree left. River birch, oh yeah. Okay, so they do have some hibiscus, forsythia, Annabelle hydrangea. Yeah, so they have a few more of the other ones left as well. Now these are $10. Okay, the 4-way hanging basket tree is $20. How cute is that? Ooh. It is rust resistant and holds up to 10 pounds per hook. Great. So we have this decorative 8-inch planter for $7. Okay. Nice. And we have a 15-inch plant stand for $7. Adjustable nozzle or 8-pattern nozzle, $5. Okay, so this is the 6-piece quick connect set and the adjustable nozzle. They also have this metal garden sign for $5. Meet me in the garden. This one says garden rules, relax, unwind, and enjoy. So this one is the step light and that one is the deck light. Well, alright guys, it is time for me to do my walk back to show you guys what my picks are for the week. My first pick is going to be these beautiful 20-inch planters for only $13. The beautiful metal garden figurines for $10 is going to be a yes for me. The reusable ice cubes and tray for $5 going to be a yes for me. The kitchen rugs for $6, yes. The beautiful flowers here, oh my goodness, for $5, absolutely yes. How beautiful are these bouquets? The beautiful mugs with the flowers for $9. Well, alrighty guys, that is it here today at Aldi. I hope you all enjoyed this video. If you did, please give it a big thumbs up, subscribe to the channel, and share my content with others. Thank you all so much for your support, and to all my new subscribers, welcome. I am so glad to have you here. Thank you all so much for your comments, and I really do appreciate you all so very much. Thanks again, and I'll see you all in the next one.